Hi, I'm Jim Gillis, Key Account Manager here at CDF Corporation. CDF is the leading producer of liners for drums, pails, bag-and-box, and IBCs. Our flexible packaging operations rely heavily on innovation, cutting-edge technology and materials, and manufacturing expertise. Everything we do is about customer problem solving. Our goal is to anticipate a problem and be ready with a cost-saving and sustainable solution. Today we'll discuss liners for IBCs and how they can save you money by reducing cleaning costs, maximizing evacuation of valuable product, and improving IBC turnaround time. I'll take you through 3 different products: the Defender Liner for stainless steel IBCs and the Air Assist and Form Fit liners for collapsible and corrugate IBCs. Let's dive in. We designed the CDF Defender Liner for stainless steel totes to help reduce cleaning costs and assist with corporate sustainability initiatives. Designed for various applications from chemicals, inks, food and beverage, paints and coatings, the Defender Liner will provide the ultimate protection between the stainless steel tote and your product while drastically reducing cleaning and logistics costs. By utilizing a liner, you'll always have a clean tank ready for reuse, thus reducing the transfer and logistics arrangements and charges involved with the dirty stainless steel tote. Incorporating a liner in your process minimizes downtime on your unit, making your assets turnaround time immediate. Through a 1-minute install, you are saving time and money. Simply install, fill, discharge, and remove the liner. Your stainless steel tote is clean and ready to be filled again. The Defender Liner for stainless steel IBCs is easy to install. Place the liner into the IBC, align the flange of the liner with the bottom discharge opening, and pull the liner through the sanitary fitting. Position the liner flange and secure the discharge valve assembly. Stretch the neck of the liner around the top opening of the tote and secure the rubber gasket around the lip. The liner allows for the use of existing gasket and lid assembly. A 2-inch vacuum port with baffle quickly switches out with the existing 2-inch top closure. This allows for an efficient vacuum to be pulled on the liner. By doing so, the liner will fit snug against all interior surfaces of the tank, significantly minimizing creases and folds that could otherwise restrict discharge flow or trap product. Remove the vacuum port and replace the 2-inch closure. Once the Defender Liner is secure against the interior of the tank, proceed with filling. Then secure the lid with your current ring and bolt. The system is now ready to ship. The evacuation of the product is fast and efficient and does not compromise the tank or liner's integrity. Once emptied, the operator can remove the lid and the 2-inch closure. Reversing the vacuum to expel air aids in removing the liner and will assist in evacuating residual product that remains in the liner. A foam stopper prevents the product from draining or dripping into the clean tank during liner removal. The use of a liner ensures a clean tank start to finish. We developed the Air Assist liner for viscous products that are difficult to dispense from a standard IBC design. The Air Assist liner features a form-fit liner with an attached air bladder. As the air bladder inflates, it pushes the highly viscous product towards the dispense opening, forcing the contents out of the bottom dispense fitment, resulting in less residual product left in the liner. It's also hands-free. Once the operator has installed the Air Assist liner and attached the air supply system, the operator can walk away during dispensing. The Air Assist design allows the viscous product to dispense efficiently to achieve a product yield of 99.5%. The Air Assist liner is designed for an easy install. Lay the folded liner on the base of the tote and click the fitment into the bottom discharge. Unfold the liner to take the shape of the tote's base. All fitments come with a tamper-evident seal to ensure you're the first user. At the start of the filling process, ensure the product is flowing evenly into the liner. You'll want to avoid folds that can block the dispense fitment. Blocking the dispense fitment would prevent full product evacuation. Once the filling is complete, seal the lid and the bottom fitment, and the product is ready to ship. There are two components to the Air Assist liner, the liquid portion of the liner and the air bladder. Both are labeled to differentiate from one another. Connect the adapter to the air bladder and connect the air regulator to the adapter. The regulator valve delivers constant air pressure to the air bladder while the product is evacuating. The operator will then connect the 2-inch quick disconnect fitting, which will supply air to the regulator. Once the valve is opened, the air bladder will begin to fill. Open the valve at the bottom discharge and the product will begin to flow. As the product leaves the container, the air bladder displaces the product, maintaining constant pressure and forcing it toward the dispense opening. The only assistance needed is to open or close the valve. An additional benefit to the Air Assist system is the valve can be opened and closed multiple times. Once the valve has been closed, the Air Assist system can remain at the stopping point. There is no need to adjust the regulator or manipulate the liner. The dispense is complete when the liner is vertical. Gravity assists the product in draining to the bottom, and the Air Assist bladder forces all the product to the dispense valve. Once the product has been evacuated, turn off the air supply. There is never a threat of the air bladder exploding or bursting. To deflate the air bladder, disconnect the hose or puncture the air bladder. The benefits of the Air Assist liner are in the cost savings. Due to the liner's form-fit design, the Air Assist does not require operator assistance during the fill. And because of the air system, the operator can walk away during dispensing, making this liner virtually hands-free. Additionally, there are cost savings in the amount of product the Air Assist yields. A highly viscous product with a standard IBC container typically yields 95%, while the Air Assist allows for 99.5% efficiency. Air Assist is ideal for chemicals including automotive greases and lubricants, inks, and agricultural products. The liner has had great success with cosmetic applications ranging from conditioners, creams, lipsticks, liquid makeup, and shampoo, to food applications including ice cream variegates, molasses, salad dressings, and syrups. The Air Assist liner is available for all intermediate bulk container sizes with multiple film choices and fitments. The form-fit liner is a more efficient style of liner versus the pillow style. The form-fit liner design takes the shape of the IBC. Due to this design, the liner can accommodate high-speed fills with less handling by the operator. the system eliminates pockets or folds that can trap product while dispensing, making dispensing easier, more efficient, with less residual product left in the liner. The form-fit design also provides high performance in critical applications such as top fill applications using a bridge or automatic filler, bottom filling applications, containers with no access doors for placing a liner at the bottom, high-speed fills, and filling with viscous products. Form-fit liners perform in various markets including food and beverage, cosmetics, chemicals, and pharmaceutical. The form-fit liner design is easy to install. Lay the folded liner on the base of the tote and click the fitment into the bottom discharge. Unfold the liner to take the base's shape. All fitments come with a tamper-evident seal to ensure you are the first user. The form-fit liner offers a few filling options. Fill from the bottom, fill from the top, fill lying flat, or fill from the top with a bridge. Connect the filling hose and start the filling process. If filling the liner from a flat position, bring the filling hose to a higher position. This will allow the product to flow freely and disperse evenly into the liner. During the filling process, the liner's corners will move to the corners of the tote, an intentional design to minimize the liner's handling while filling. Once the fill is complete, position the liner by tucking the remaining film against the corners. This will eliminate gaps and position the liner to prepare for lidding. Seal the lid and the bottom fitment, and the product is ready to ship. The form-fit liner makes dispensing easy. To empty, connect the production hose to the bottom fitment, open the valve, and the product will begin to flow. Always looking through the lens of innovation, CDF identified that adding holes in the perforated flaps would help hold the liner in place during filling. By keeping the liner squared, these flaps make the fills easier. Once the filling is complete, the flaps can be detached and used with a winder for dispensing. The form-fit provides maximum product evacuation. The design eliminates pockets and folds that would typically trap residual products while emptying. The form-fit liner is available for all intermediate bulk container sizes with multiple choices of fitments and film. For more information on our IBC product line and other CDF products, please visit our website at www.cdf1.com or send me an email to sales@cdf1.com. Thank you so much for your time, and I look forward to hearing from you.